Hey guys, Greg coming to you with another one of my bonsais. Today we're going to be showcasing another calorie pear that I had found growing, and I think I made mention of this in my last pear video. I found one growing in the gravel between my bilko door and my patio. So kind of interesting, you can already see if you're looking at the bottom, the base, the trunk for it is bent. It is like a 90-degree angle on there. I'm gonna try and get, and there is some growth and some budding that has been happening right here. And that has been falling off or being eaten. I'm not exactly sure. I kind of had this on the ground level. I may move this a little bit, but the main branch is growing, as you can see. I've had some problems with this growing to this level, and this is the tallest and the best it has been. I've been having a lot of, see if I can zoom in and show you. I've had a lot of leaves that were getting those black spots, and I was cutting them off and trying to just save the branch because I was afraid that it was bad for the plant, and it could be. I've been looking up, you know, the plague for this, but it's continuing to grow, which has been phenomenal. I haven't been able to see that on this tree all season. I thought it was going to die just because of that bend and reading things about it, but this has been growing, and that's great, and I'll probably end up trimming that extra little bit there eventually once it's time. But this pear, just that bend alone has interested me, and I'm hoping that this still grows here so I can figure something out and make something really cool, kind of like multi-trees growing off of a base or something like that. But I just want to keep this growing and see where it goes from here, because I think this is just an interesting little tree in the way it's been growing. Just that bend alone is enough of a flair for me, and I think eventually what I'll end up doing, I'll probably keep it like this. You could maybe do like a bend up like that, but I'm not sure I want to do that. I did kind of put this in a training pot to start, which may or may not help. We'll find out as it gets older, the root system, but it's in well draining soil. I have to water this pretty often just because of where it's located with the sun. But I do like that, and I'll probably end up, you know, trimming most of this off once it's ready to see if it can grow in a different way, in a different manner. So let me know what you think about this. This one isn't as big and exciting as the last one, but I say exciting, but look, I mean, let's look at that bend again. That's kind of neat. We'll just follow it up. You can see, we'll turn it around just so you can see the back side of it and see that where it had originally cut off and started growing upward. And yeah, there's that blackness that I was talking about on the leaves. So I've been slowly trying to take care of this and hope that it grows, and beyond anything, it's finally started growing, which is great. That's what you want to see on this. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel. I try and put videos out at least 2 to 3 times a week, and also include some shorts. So, until next time, guys, this is Greg. Take care.